Hello, how are you guys doing out there? Okay, I'm back to show you guys yet another app and site to get free products and gifts. This site is a little different. As I said, it is a website and it also has an app. It runs on a point system, which the points are fairly easy to get. Now, I can honestly say I have spent no longer than 5 to 7 minutes per survey, maybe 10, some are 3 and 4 minutes, in order to complete a survey. The surveys are interesting, they cater to you, and they're fairly easy, you guys. They're not long and drawn out. At least I haven't ran into any that are. Okay, now with the products, you can scroll across the top of the app and choose your genre, or you can take your points and donate. The app changes the donations and it changes the gifts from time to time. Okay? So that's basically depending on what you choose to do with your points. You could go to appliances. Let's see here. And they have many different things to choose from. You just choose what you like, what you want, follow the directions, and have it sent to you. I've been using this site for quite a while, and everything that I have ordered from here is top grade. I haven't had any problems with any of the products that I have chosen from this site. I like everything that I get. You also have some in here where you can get your perfumes and colognes, and as you can see, there are suitcases. So it just depends on what you like and what you want. Like I say, you guys, I never will advertise anything to you guys that I don't feel is worth the while. So like I said, I've been using it a while. Okay, here we're in the children's category. You can choose what you want. Take a look at some of the things that they have in here. Okay, let's go to culture. Just to show you guys a little bit about what I'm talking about. Fashion and beauty. Like I said, your colognes, your perfumes. Sometimes they have purses. And remember, guys, I did say that they change the products from time to time. They're all quality products. You know, none of them are disappointing. None that I have received. Here are some more of the stuff. There's Google Home in there, as you can see, 1780 points, 1,780 points. So not bad for maybe 7 to 10 minute surveys. All right. Now, I want to show you guys exactly what it is. So all you got to do is download it, or sign up for it online. It's up to you. It's called Nice Quest, you guys. So you are going to like it, I believe. I like it, especially if you're a survey taker. I know some of you don't like long surveys, so this would be a good site for you. Okay, if you signed up through my other sites, you know that they do make money if you have taken the time to do what's required of you, which is take the surveys, So thank you guys. Enjoy. I'll be back.